Alrighty then. I'm going to go ahead and power this up. What's been happening is, well, actually I purchased this power supply unit, and the first time I turned it on, it was very quiet, just worked wonderfully. Second day, it on the cold start, now this is, it made a lot of noise, just like our previous power supply unit had done. And well, I don't know, that one we had purchased, it wasn't quite as strong, you know, power wise, not as much wattage, 430. And that one was fine for, oh, I don't know, about 10-11 days I think it was, and then it began making that loud noise upon startup as well. Now that's what happened with the original power supply unit, which was good for, you know, 3.5 years, and then it started making all that noise. So, and then eventually, you know, it just died. So anyway, so considering I bought now 2 to replace that original one, and both of them within a certain amount of time have become really loud, I'm just, well, obviously concerned about that. So I'm going to power it up this time with the side off of it so we can see the inside. And well, we'll just try to figure out what's going on, and maybe if anyone has any suggestions, that would be great. I bought both of these power supplies, the new ones. One was, I believe it's pronounced Thermotake, something like that, or Thermotake, depending how it's pronounced. 430 watts. That was the first replacement that I purchased, and that one, like I said, that was good for a while, almost 2 weeks, and then it started making that very loud noise, and it's just until it gets to that Windows screen. Then everything quiets down right away, and it's quiet and everything's fine. So, and this one, as you can see, is a Corsair, and it's 750 watts. So I don't know, let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn it on. Now, my luck, it'll probably work just fine and quietly because I'm trying to find out what's going on. So anyway, well, let's see what happens. Able to touch things, I don't know if it's not doing anything. Now see, what's happening is, see, as soon as it gets to some screen, it'll stop and everything is fine and it's quiet again. Actually, it usually shuts off even a little bit before this. So okay, any ideas, anybody? Help! Thank you.